Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious brownies using a simple cake mix. This method is incredibly easy and yields fantastic results every time. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 box of your favorite cake mix, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This quick preparation sets you up for baking success. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your chosen cake mix, the 2 large eggs, and the 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Stir these ingredients together thoroughly. You'll want to mix until a thick, uniform batter forms, which usually takes about 1 minute. Remember, avoid overmixing. A slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine and helps ensure a tender, fudgy brownie. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Use a spatula to spread the batter evenly across the pan, ensuring consistent thickness. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial. Allow your brownies to cool completely in the pan for at least 30 minutes. This cooling period is essential for achieving clean, neat cuts and that desirable fudgy texture. Once cooled, you can cut them into about 24 squares. Serve them as is, or with a scoop of ice cream for an extra special treat. Enjoy your homemade brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.